Before try to fix someone else's vibe, make sure that you are not killing your own vibe in the process. Protect your own energy first, guys. I remember those days when I was a people pleaser. I was always trying to be a nicer guy, a sincere guy in front of the people who were more aged to me. And I don't know why, but whenever I had a conversation with someone, I tried to be that. And even I'm not like, I didn't want to do something, I did that because I want to demonstrate them that I am a good guy, and please give me some support. Like these kind of thoughts or thinking I had in my mind that time, when I was a teenage, when I was in my college, when I was in my school. School is more the thing when I did that. So and nowadays when I was seeing, like I am seeing a lot of people, like lot of teenagers, they are doing the same thing. Every time when I'm having a conversation with a teenager, he's always trying to demonstrate me that, yes sir, I'm a good guy. Try to like, because, and I know that what is the reason behind it. The reason that people people are so, like people are feeling so unworthy. They seem that they are not good enough to do all the required things that they want to do, that they have to do in their life to become a successful person. That's why people are usually like try to have a good conversation, try to have a, like, pleasing to people. Like this is the thing. Good, having a good conversation is a good, but when we start pleasing people, that, oh sir, like, just understand the thing. So make sure that nobody can change your life. It's your life. And if you are pleasing people, you are a people pleaser. At that time, what kind of, like, tell me what kind of vibration you are giving to this universe? Absolutely, we are giving the vibration that we are not worthy, we are not good enough to do all the required things. We have to have some other people in our life, because they feel that other people will make their life better, will fix their life's issues. But that's not true. That's absolutely wrong thing. So if you are feeling not worthy, you are expressing, you are suppressing, and you are giving that kind of energy to this universe. And this universe will provide you the same energy. Like they will always provide you the people, um, who's like who will be in front of you, and you start pleasing them. So make sure that be your own, and try to believe in yourself. It's your life, and don't pleasing other people's. It's your life, and you can ask for help. I'm not saying that don't ask for help. Ask for help, but don't try to pleasing them. Like don't try to please them, because it's not important. It's not that you should do at any cost. And sometimes we are doing this deliberately, even we don't need to do. So make sure that you have to believe in yourself. You have to understand that it's your life, and everything, every situations, every circumstances that you are facing in your life, you have to fight with them. So, the quote was fantastic that I earlier said, that before try to fix other people's vibe, you make sure that you are not killing your own vibe in the process. So we have to protect our energy first. We have to be a strong and confident person first. If we are pleasing other people, that time we feel that we are not complete, something is missing in our body. So with this feeling, how can we more happy? So make sure, guys, try to be your own self. Like, you have to love yourself, we have to love yourself. And love yourself means don't please other people's. You are good enough. Yeah, like, we are good enough as a person. We don't need any other person to make to fix our life circumstances and problems. And that is the thing. I was like, I did this thing in my entire my teenage life, but the like till the last couple of years. But when I understand that what's wrong I was doing, I just try to remove these things in my from myself, like in myself. So make sure you also do this. Try to remove this kind of emotion in yourself, from yourself, guys. And thank you so much. If you are watching till now, I'm here sharing my life experiences to you. And I am also here to improve my English communication. Thank you. If you are watching till now, subscribe my channel, it will help me a lot. And if you have any kind of questions, if you have your like any kind of questions regarding this video and regarding your life problem, like, I will help you to solve them. Just let me know in the comment box, and you can also tell me on my Instagram. Thank you.